Hi kids, my name is Aris, class first, subject English.
Rhyme.
Rhyme.
Little raindrops.
Little raindrops,
Oh, where do you come from?
oh where do you come from?
You little drop of rain.
You little drops of rain.
Pitter, patter, pitter, patter.
Pitter, patter, pitter, patter.
Down the window pane.
Down the window pane.
They won't let me walk.
They won't let me walk.
And they won't
And they won't
let me play.
let me play.
And they won't
And they won't
let me go.
let me go
Out of doors.
out
Of doors.
of doors
At all today.
at all today.
They put away
They put away
my playthings.
my playthings
Because I
because I
broke them all.
broke them all.
And then they
And then they
locked up
locked up
all my brakes
all my brakes
and took away
and took away
my ball.
my ball.
They say
They say
I am very naughty,
I am very naughty,
but I have nothing else to do
nothing else to do
but sit here
but sit here
at the window.
at the window.
I should like to
I should like to
play with you.
play with you. Bye, children.